At the age of 23, Sister Denise Rollins dedicated her life to spiritual practice and service in 1974, coordinating centers in Germany, Canada, and the United States of America during 100 televised programs on Raja Yoga meditation methods, spiritual knowledge, including a series on addiction recovery.
The Brahma Kumaris teaches meditation and spirituality. And what this does is it empowers a person from the inside, because it teaches you how to understand yourself, who you are, what your potential is. Once you can honor yourself, who you are, and not look at yourself how somebody else looks at you, but look at yourself how you really are, then you can start to be something and do something which will make you feel integrated as a human being.
The Brahma Kumaris Raja Center is a branch of an international organization which was established in 1937 with over 9,000 centers in more than 120 countries, offering individuals with the opportunity to learn meditation and deepen their understanding of universal principles, working at all offered without charge as a community service.
First of all, your mindset. What is your current mindset? What are your limitations? Why are you allowing yourself to be limited by those things? How to come out of your limitations. And also your limitations are what other people have put on you by their attitude towards you, you see. So you have to come out of other people's vision of you and your vision of yourself that you have adopted as a result of somebody else's vision of you.
With high content and levels of opportunity, it covers lessons of deeper understanding of the person's intrinsic positive qualities, unemployment among the youth to change social-political situation among all the people, with the most target of the youth changing their attitude.
The young people, they think differently, they respond differently, they don't want to be employed. They want to design their own lifestyle. They look at their own talents. They know they have talents. They don't want to be under somebody. They really don't. And paid hardly anything. Because I think they're beginning to feel their own value independently of somebody else deciding what their value is.
The concept to be presented by the Brahma Kumaris is simple yet profound: the accessibility to individuals of all backgrounds and beliefs, with the simple and honest efforts, with only prerequisite for success in meditation. Kawe Salwama, WBS TV.